Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the MW Tech Channel, and I am back. What is that? No, that's not the intro. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the MW Tech Channel, and this is the iPhone 12. Okay, so here's the thing. I don't have an iPhone 12. Okay, so I don't have an iPhone 12, but guess what? I can help you to make your decision more easier. Right, guys? Did you get it? Good. Let's start with the review. So this year, Apple releases 4 iPhones, which is the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Mini, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So let's talk about the design, shall we? This is the thing that we was waiting for. So first of all, I love the design that they have implemented for the iPhone 12 series. It's completely flat. It's like a brick. It's flat, no curvatures like the previous iPhones. No curvatures, just completely flat, like the can't remember the iPhone 5 and iPhone 4, those series like that. And so it is super flat, like flat. The iPhone 12 is coming in 5 colors: black, blue, red, white, and green. So like the iPhone 5C. Okay, so this time, like, the Apple tried to go a throwback from the last generations, the older generations, like all combined at a new iPhone. Ta-da! So because of the pretty much flatness of the phone, if you put a case, the dimensions are more flatter, so it's a more grippable phone. It's more comfortable to grip, more harder to drop. Talking about the drop, the screen is protected with a thing called ceramic shield, and it's a crystalline structure in the glass, which makes this glass 4 times drop resistance. So I'm not gonna try because I don't have it, but don't try it, right? So keep that in mind. So make sure that you go with a tempered glass on it and a case for your own protection of the phone, because it's money, right? You don't have money to throw away. Okay, so the newest things that comes with this iPhone 12 is the MagSafe. The MagSafe is the new magnetic type of and wireless external charger. It's like the same but different. Okay, so this is a complete magnet that sticks outside your phone in a center, right on the logo area of the iPhone. So here's the thing, any of these things are coming with the phone, right? So this time it's just the box with the phone with no charging brick. Okay, so if you need to buy a charging brick, it costs $40 maybe. So you have to get with that. So this time the MagSafe is charging super fast because it can handle 15-watt fast charging. So the battery life of the new iPhone 12 is not up, like it's exactly the same as the previous, but not as much as high. So that's the reason. So they have no refresh rate this time also. Apple won't do it because I think of the battery, because it's small, but it can last long like the previous generation, but not greater. If you want greater, you can go for the Pro Max or Pro, so you can go either way. So comes to the biggest improvement in the iPhone history. It is the display. So they have been throwing this LCD display for a very long time. I mean, it's been a while. So this time they have changed their mind to go with a more. So this time the display is 180p OLED 6.1-inch display, so which is like day and night from a previous generation and this one, because this is so much good. It's so good. I don't know why they didn't do it in the past, but now it's so good. It's an OLED display. this cost about $800. So this has 5G. So it is from the like the announcement, it's like a new 5G version. I did a previous 5G video about 5G in a video about the S20, so it will be here. You can check that actually what is 5G. And yeah, I'm not going to talk about 5G that much. So that's a thing that they have when more iPhones go to the market, like a million maybe. So the 5G process will be increased. So that's the thing, that's the goal, that people make 5G phones, right? Got it? Good. So what's next? New iPhone, new camera. No, just the same. It's good. I mean, one of the best cameras in the world in smartphones, the iPhone cameras for sure. And this time in the 12 there are 2 lenses, and in the Pro and the Pro Max there are 3 lenses, and same cameras without one camera, just no different at all. This has a dual 12 megapixel ultra wide camera and a wide camera, and that's weird, right? Ultra wide and a wide camera, so both are wide. All right, ultra wide is an f2.2 aperture camera, and a wide is an f1.6 aperture camera. So the cameras are smooth, as like the pixel. Nothing so drastic, like good, it's good, right? And so videography is more good. I mean, it's best in the iPhone, so it's the 100% best. I wish I could have one, but I will shoot my YouTube videos with it. As I was saying, it has crispy videos, it has like crazy autofocus. Like, I mean, still Samsung, to be honest, Samsung has a problem with the autofocus stuff, but from the beginning iPhone didn't have it. iPhone was doing it great. But so for the first time in the world, okay, they have Dolby Vision HDR, like Dolby Atmos. Can't remember, long time ago Dolby Atmos comes. Yeah, these are the only cameras in the world that shoot 10-bit HDR Dolby Vision 4K videos, and the rest is as the usual, the iOS 14, Face ID, IP68 dust and water resistance, and the powered by the A14 Bionic chip. So you have it. That's it. And Apple has done a great job this time, and the packaging is the problem, the power brick is the problem, but most of the iPhone consumers have a iPhone power brick, so just useless of talking about that. So that's it. I mean, that's totally it. That's it guys. It's over. So the video is over. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe right now here, alright, and hit the bell icon, right, and make sure you get notified, and give us a thumbs up if you like it. If you don't, you know what to do, and I will see you guys in the next one. See ya.